I really wish I had a champagne glass to celebrate what the new year could look like for you. But for now, I'm just going to walk through this because I don't have champagne glasses. I only have tea and wine glasses. But in any case, if you don't know who I am, my name is Tina. I help creators like you add leads and revenue to your business without relying on social media. So if you are exhausted of the algorithm, all those things, you definitely landed on the right channel. With that being said, I really want to give a toast to what your next year could look like and your next social media free year could look like. I haven't been on social media for almost over a year now, and now I'm just on social media for pleasure, not business. So if you understand what I'm saying, you get what I'm saying. But I really want to walk through what this process could look like in terms of like if I could get a do over. I would, right? In fact, I would have actually gone 3 years of my life back if I just started with the right anti social media lead gen strategy, right? And I say anti social media lead gen because a lot of big creators, gurus, all of those people in the industry, they always talk about like social media is the way to grow, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And it's just not sustainable. It's not fun. And there's this very dark side of social media that people just don't talk about. And I'm kind of sick of it. So thankfully, with our Map Your Collab year, the 3 email growth strategies without social ads, socials, or paid ads workshop, you definitely can get the anti-social media lead gen strategy that I've used to add thousands of email subscribers to my email list. And I'll just show proof in the pudding because I definitely think it's worth to show it. But I've added over 3,000 email subscribers literally on 20 minutes a month. That is a great high return on time when you think about how much time and mental energy it takes you to create a post and then to post it and then to repurpose it. Like it's a whole bunch of work that just is unnecessary, right? And so the thing that I want you to know is that there's a way to get those same results on 20 minutes a month, right? Because our goal is one thing. Our goal is to help you add thousands of high quality leads to your business again in less than 20 minutes a month. By mapping your collab year, you can finally reclaim your time and do it with a social media algorithm. How many times have you been like, ugh, like pulled up your screen time on your iPhone and you're like, oh my God, I'm spending like 5 hours a day on social media. And majority of the time, it's not productive time, right? And so the second thing is, how would it feel if you could scale your relationships with high authority experts in your industry? It's kind of crazy how many people have like reached out to me because I've really adopted this no social media approach. How I've been able to collaborate with other experts in this industry, and that is a great feeling to have. Or, having not only people approach you, but you approach them and actually getting yeses to collaboration opportunities. Like that's really fucking high value, right? If you can forecast and meet your lead gen goals ahead of schedule. And this is for all the people who are like, oh, like, okay, like I know I want to hit maybe 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but I don't know what the strategies that I need to do in order to get there. This is where this workshop's going to really be helpful for you because we actually have like numbers backed by, what we've tested for over, I would say 1 to 2 years at this point, where we can honestly confidently say from my own experience that if you test X strategies, you can estimate that you're going to get X number of leads or subscribers. That is really good for forecasting because if you are trying to, I'm calling out all the advanced people here, but if you are trying to figure out like, okay, I need to add more leads to my funnels and I know I have certain conversion rates, then at that point, you could just map out your collab year and say like, okay, if I apply to X, you know, bundles, freebie swaps, or whatever, then I know I'm going to get X amount of people in my funnel and it's going to convert at X%, right? In that case, you can also forecast your revenue. So forecast your lead gen, forecast your revenue. Super excited about what this workshop walks through. And so collaborations have not only helped me, but they've helped, young writer authors 3 times her lead pool within a few months, a newsletter operator add hundreds of email subscribers to their list on a few minutes a month, an SEO freelancer added 600 plus email subscribers to her list with 1 out of the 3 email growth strategies we teach. And here's the thing. These results that I share with you are not typical for most creators because most creators focus on the wrong strategies. They focus on strategies that are trendy but not timeless, right? And that is not, I hate being trendy because it's just a waste of time. I'd rather be timeless where you get more output than input, right? And the strategies that I teach you in this workshop have literally stood the test of time. And I actually will show you like examples of real world events that inspired the strategies that I'm showcasing with you in this workshop, right? And so if you have a couple questions and you're like wondering like will this work for me? One of the things that I really like about these strategies is that they're not only timeless, but they're also nicheless because it doesn't matter what industry that you're in. I've seen these strategies play out with every single industry, from people who are spiritual niche, people who are authors, people who are in the cooking space. Like I've literally seen these strategies play out because they're timeless and nicheless. I think that's pretty much how I would sum it up. And so, are there any bonuses? Yes, there are two bonuses that I'm super excited to walk through today. But I'm actually going to give you the pitch templates that have helped me land high authority collaborations in my industry. So, not only are you getting the workshop, but you're also getting the pitch templates. And if you're someone who's like, ooh, like I love this workshop, but I probably have a few follow-up questions, then there's going to be an opportunity where you can submit your Q&A async submission. So, what will happen is after you purchase, I will probably not probably, I will reach out to you and give you further instructions on how to submit your questions by a specific deadline. And then once when you submit your questions, I will review the questions and personally email you with my answers so that you get your questions answered. There is probably going to limitation on time and questions, but this is an opportunity for you to ask all those questions. In any case, if you're wondering like, okay, this sounds amazing, what the hell is the investment? I really want to make this a no-brainer offer for you, but I also really want you to start your new year in the best way possible. So I've made our Map Your Career workshop and all our bonuses literally at just flat $100. And if you can think about this from the perspective of, wow, like if I can add X number of leads, let's just say, this past year, truthfully, I've added over 3,000 leads, and whether I convert at 10%, 5%, or 1%, depending on the offer, that's worth it to you, right? And so $100 in order for you to get thousands of leads in return, I feel like that's a no-brainer deal. And you will also have the option to upgrade to our Inner Collab membership for $300 a year at this current time. Literally next year, I am not joking to you. The price will go up. It's probably going to change, and I'm super excited for the updates. I will not share all of them right now, but I'm super excited for what's going to happen next year. And I will tell you, this is the best time to join. And you get this workshop at no extra cost to you if you decide to go with our upgrade option of our Collab membership. And this would be a free bonus workshop for you. So definitely we're going to be hand delivering a year's worth of collab opportunities to your email inbox once a month. So once a month, I send the monthly collaboration opportunities for you to sign up with so that you can really take these strategies to full force, right? And so if you're wondering how do I get this, definitely sign up with the link there. And as long as the link is active, you could definitely grab that offer. So highly recommend it. It's going to be taken down December 18th, so highly recommend for you to grab it. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video, and I hope to see you in the Map Your Career Collab Year workshop, and I'll see you then. Bye.